try. Okay, that's cool. I don't like that. Nope, I don't like that either. Okay. So today will be my first ever mukbang. Whatever. So yeah, I'll be a mukbang. Mukbang. You can't even see anything. Whatever. So yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this. Whatever. Okay, let's start. Okay, so it'll obviously be McDonald's. I went to McDonald's after I saw a movie, and you know, I got the filet of fish. I'm not gonna do a lot of food because I can't eat a lot of food anymore. I know it's weird. I'm still fat. I know, but I can't eat a lot of food anymore. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, let's get started. So, French fries. I know you can't see any of it. I'm so sorry, but you can see me eat it. Today has literally been the most stressful day of my life. Okay. That's an exaggeration, but it was pretty stressful. Family problems, and then got to work, and work is not that stressful. I like work. It's okay. It takes away from my stress. And then after work, I went to the movies because my family left. We went somewhere, and then I'm pathetic, so I don't have friends. But I went to the movies, and I've been to the movies by myself. It's not a big deal for me. I've been before. It's not a big deal. And I know people are thinking, oh, you're so pathetic. Who cares? Like, why are you so interested in my life? Think about it. I'm actually watching Smosh on my phone. It's like this new thing called What's in My Mouth. They're eating natto, which is fermented beans with rice, and mix it together and it smells. I've never tried it and never want to. I only know it smells because I've seen people eat it on YouTube. Ooh. I'm like going down so you guys can see me. Look at this. It's like a second head. That's cool. It's been there a couple days. I wonder what else I can watch. Okay, now I'm watching What the Fuck News on Shane Dawson's channel. I thought the guy who did that segment thing, I thought that was the guy from Green Day. Sorry. This is sweet tea. It looks weird. So how was your day? Yep. They're cold. Because I didn't know if I was gonna do this or not. So I sat here for like 30 minutes. Like, should I do this? Should I record myself eating? Is it weird? And before, I hated. I had looking at myself while I ate. I don't know, I just thought it was gross. Now I don't care. I don't know what to watch. Let's watch some Glozo. This is her hot pepper challenge. I always loved her intro. So it's funny. I like it. So it says here in her description, she ate hot peppers. Sorry, I keep looking up because those are the stairs, and I think I'm talking to myself. So I feel like someone's watching me. I feel like it's my mom. Listen. Oh no. You never drink water after you eat a pepper. I'm gonna finish this. Doesn't that look gross? she's faking it or not. Everybody knows not to drink water after eating a chili or anything spicy. What did she eat? I think it was a ghost pepper. Diet Coke and Mentos challenge. All done. No, I hate this commercial. I think I'm done.
Oh man.
I look tired. And this is... That's it.
Okay, so, do you not do this at home? So, I took
Yeah,
her to get
thanks
some
for
candy.
watching if you watched.
It's hard to eat, colony. Do not do this, okay?